delicious and easy s'mores icebox cake.
Let's see what's cooking, let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking, it's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 3.5 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Now I couldn't find that in my local grocery store in my little village, so I used extra smooth ricotta, worked out fine. I added 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now you're going to beat that with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Once you get some soft peaks, you're going to add 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream, or also called marshmallow fluff. Then you're going to gently beat that in as well until it is just combined. And then once that's blended, add in 1 cup of miniature marshmallows and half a cup of mini chocolate chips. Then fold the marshmallows and the chocolate chips into the cream mixture. And then you'll need some graham wafer crackers. Take a large cracker and just break it apart at the perforations to get 4 small crackers. You'll need about 7 to 10 graham wafer crackers for this. Then you're going to spread a little bit of that filling on each cracker. I just take the cracker and just scoop it up out of the bowl. And then you're just going to stack them vertically in rows in a standard size loaf pan, a 9x5 loaf pan. And just keep going until your container is completely full. And you want to make sure that each cracker has cream on both sides of it. And then if you have any left in the bottom of the bowl, I just scooped it out and I just spread it on top of the crackers. The actual original recipe kind of leaves the crackers sticking out so you could see them, but you know, why waste that last kind of half cup in the bottom of the bowl? Then spread a 1/4 cup of mini marshmallows on top, and then take a creme brulee torch and just toast up your marshmallows. This is completely optional, of course. I actually used a blowtorch that was in the garage because I don't have a cute little creme brulee torch. And I just toasted up the marshmallows until they had a little bit of color to them. And then once that's done, you just sprinkle on an additional 1/4 cup of miniature chocolate chips on top, kind of as a garnish. Now what you do is you cover this and put it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 6 hours. Probably better to leave it overnight, and what will happen is the cream will soften up those graham wafer crackers and it'll turn it into like a cake-like texture. And I'll show you here what that looks like when you're cut into it after it's been chilled thoroughly. You can see how it turns into be something very cake-like. It's delicious. You have the cream and the marshmallows and the chocolate. Does it taste exactly like s'mores that you roast over the fire? No, but you get the general idea. You get all the s'mores flavors in it. Delicious, nice, light, chilled dessert. Now you can make this well ahead if you want. Just freeze it and then take it out, put it in the fridge and let it defrost overnight, and you've got yourself a great dessert. I have other chilled ice cream-like desserts on my channel. I put them in a playlist. Check it out.